Yeah. So what we have here is a special panel that's able to drive DC motor and still charge and still create energy to charge the phone. So let me just do the demonstration. You can see that there's power here now. Let me activate it. Let's look at the phone if it's charging. So you can see it's charging the phone. Now let's go to the DC line. Let's look at the meter. Right now it's showing 0 volts. Now let me put it up. Let me put the AC line up. Let's see the AC line. This is the AC line. Let us put it up. Now let us see the voltage on the meter. The voltage on the meter is showing 8.77. 8.77. Now by the time we activate the AC line, notice the increase in the voltage of the meter from 8 point something to 12 point something volts. At the same time, the phone is charging. So that is to say we are getting energy from the AC line, transferring it to the DC line. So with this setup, we are able to drive efficiently a DC motor from a battery and still generate electricity to power to charge a battery. This time around, we are just charging a phone. So with this setup, you can get a very efficient drive to power electric motor. Specifically, this can be used to power an induction, double one induction motor. This can be used to power a double one induction motor. But what we are actually doing is to power a DC motor right now. We are able to power a DC motor right now. So that is what the panel is all about. It's an efficient panel to drive DC motor and also generate energy to charge motor, but specifically double motor, not square cage, but double one, the one that has both armature coil and rotor coil. This system can be used to efficiently drive it. Okay, so what we see now is the input voltage from the mains. Now, this is the output voltage from the special magnetic transformer. This panel here has a special magnetic amplifier transformer. So let me activate it. You can see it's giving us 179 volts because of some imperfections in the winding. Now it's actually charging the phone here. So instead of actually using a phone, we can actually get a charger that will charge a battery. Now let's go to the DC line. This is a DC line. You can see this is the battery. The DC line is actually connected to the magnetic amplifier, and that is why you see the connection going to this. So what we have been able to achieve is a symbiotic system whereby DC voltage, DC power and AC power comes together to amplify energy. So both ends are getting increase in energy. The DC is getting increase in energy and the AC line is also getting increase in energy.
To achieve our aim, but we are trying to make this more strengthier. Right now, when we power the transformer with AC, it can be able to charge the DC battery that can give us what we need. Right now, you can see I can power this with the AC, from the transformer. So we can be able to power this and you can be able to charge your phone. So we are trying to make this more strengthier in a way that it can be able to sustain itself, can able to carry many appliances in the house. So we are able to modify it in a way that it can even contain a heavy electric motor. So we are still working on it. We are still working on it, trying to expand it in a way that it can be more useful.